Imagine turning your boring old desk into a productivity and efficiency machine without breaking the bank. Sounds intriguing, right? In today's video, we'll explore the top 12 PC accessories that will transform the way you work, game, and create. You won't want to miss this one. Welcome to Tech. Number 1. Ergonomic Mouse. Let's kick things off with the ergonomic mouse. If you spend hours clicking and scrolling, this is a game changer. Designed to fit your hand perfectly, it reduces strain on your wrist and even improves your precision. Whether you're a gamer or just powering through spreadsheets, this accessory is a must-have. Number 2. Mechanical Keyboard. Next, let's talk about mechanical keyboards. They're not just for gamers anymore. With customizable keys, you can map out shortcuts that speed up your workflow. Plus, who doesn't love that satisfying click-clack sound? Number 3. Adjustable Monitor Stand. Here's a secret most people overlook. Your monitor's position matters. An adjustable monitor stand lets you raise or tilt your screen for optimal posture, preventing neck and back pain. It's a small investment with huge health benefits. Number 4. Noise-canceling headphones. Ever get distracted by background noise while working? Noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver. From Zoom meetings to deep work sessions, they let you block out the chaos and stay focused on what matters. Number 5. USB-C docking station. Running out of ports? A USB-C docking station is the Swiss Army knife of connectivity. With one cable, you can connect multiple monitors, charge devices, and transfer data, all at blazing speeds. Number 6. Smart desk lamp with adjustable color modes. Lighting affects your mood and focus more than you think. A smart desk lamp lets you switch between bright white for work and warm yellow for relaxation. Some even have features like touch controls and wireless charging pads built in. Number 7. Mousepad with wrist support. This one's a small but mighty upgrade. A mousepad with wrist support cushions your hand during long sessions, preventing strain. Plus, it adds a professional touch to your desk setup. Number 8. External SSD. Ever run out of storage space? An external SSD is your best friend. Not only is it compact and portable, but it's also lightning fast for backups, transfers, and accessing large files on the go. Number 9. Cable Management Kit. Tangled cables are productivity killers. A good cable management kit includes clips, ties, and sleeves to keep everything organized and out of sight. Say goodbye to messy wires. Number 10. Webcam. With 1080p resolution. Your laptop's built-in camera just doesn't cut it anymore. A 1080p webcam ensures you look sharp and professional during video calls, interviews, or live streams. Bonus points if it comes with a privacy shutter. Number 11. Compact desktop speakers. Whether it's for music, podcasts, or online meetings, compact speakers offer crisp and clear sound without taking up much space. Look for ones with Bluetooth compatibility for added convenience. Number 12. Portable monitor. Last but definitely not least, a portable monitor is perfect for dual-screen productivity on the go. Whether you're working remotely or multitasking at your desk, this lightweight screen makes everything easier. These accessories aren't just tools, they're upgrades that turn your workspace into a hub of productivity, creativity, and comfort. So, which of these accessories are you adding to your setup? Or maybe you already use one of these and swear by it. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech for more tech tips, tricks, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.